Let's continue our work in Lesson 10 with those consonant combinations. We're looking at NT, blend it together, nt, MP, mp, or mp, NK, nk, and ST, st. All right, I'll read the words and you make sure that you follow the directions. Job number 1, trace the words below. So trace each word and read it. We'll check your work at the end, so pause the video so you can get the work done by yourself. So when you're reading these words, you have to be extra careful. We're starting to use pictures that don't match the words exactly. So it's not a picture of the thing. You have to think about the action. So it's really important to stretch through and read the words. So here we are. Ant. Tent. Here's an nt. Nt. Ant. Tent. Jump. Jump. Lamp. Lamp. This thing is called a lamp, and it makes light when it's plugged in and turned on. But this thing is called a lamp. This is a picture of a bank. A bank. It just looks like a big building, doesn't it? Bank. That's where all the money is, inside the bank. This is a little jar of ink. Ink. Ink is what's inside our tools that lets us use markers. Ink. When you get first place, that's the best score. Best. You can drive in a race car and then you go very fast. Fast. All right, so we've read through all of those words. Ant, tent, jump, lamp, bank, ink, best, fast. It's your job to match the words with the pictures. This is a picture of a sink. This is a picture of a sink. And this is a picture of a bump. Okay? So those are things that can help you get this work done. Pause the video, do your work, and then come back and check it. All right, let's check your work and see how you did. Ink. Picture of the ink. Best. Best score. Ant. Ant. Tent. There's the tent. Sink. Sink. Bump. There's the picture of that bump. Number 3, write each word below. Use the pictures as hints. So I can look at this picture here. I can stretch out ant and write it all by myself, but check your spelling and make sure you got it right. So use the clues on this page to help you do this page. So pause the video, do your work, and then come back and check it. Alrighty, how'd you do? Read the words. Ant, lamp, bank, best, bump, sink. If your work looks like mine, you're ready to move on. If it doesn't, fix it before you continue. Number 4, complete each phrase. Do you remember what a phrase is? A group of words that does not make a sentence. Complete each phrase using a word from the box below. Use the pictures as hints. Fast, tent, ink, jump. Okay, try to build each of those phrases and then we're going to check it. All right, let's check your work. Read the phrases. Ant in tent. Jump on bump. Ink in sink. That one's a little bit hard. Best and fast. Cross off my last word. I did all of my beautiful work. Make sure you put today's date, the month, the day, the year. Write your name with your very best handwriting. And then if you finished everything, you give yourself 100 points to finish that work. Nice job, everybody. Let's move on to the next lesson.